Welcome to PM Path, your ultimate guide to mastering project management. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore some of the most essential project management keywords and phrases. You'll learn what they mean, why they matter, and how to use them effectively in real-world projects. No jargon, no fluff, just practical knowledge you can apply today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to show your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to the channel. And if you want to stay ahead in your project management journey, hit the bell icon so you're notified of every new upload. Ready to build your project management toolkit? Let's dive in. Alright, let's jump straight into the main content where we break down key project management terms and concepts. This is going to be super helpful for anyone looking to get a solid grasp on the essentials. Let's start with the keyword scope. Scope is the detailed definition of what a project will deliver and what is excluded. In simpler terms, it's what the project will and won't do. For example, if you're building a house, the scope might include construction but exclude landscaping. Next we have milestone. Technically, it's a significant point or event in a project timeline. For everyone else, it's a major goal or checkpoint. Completing the foundation of a building is a milestone in a construction project. Then there's deliverable. A deliverable is a tangible or intangible output produced as a result of project work. In layperson terms, it's something you're creating or delivering, a subcomponent of the primary project deliverable. For instance, a final report or a website created for a client is a deliverable. Stakeholder is another important term. A stakeholder is any individual, group, or organization that can affect or be affected by the project. Simply put, it's anyone involved or interested in the project. Customers, team members, and investors are all stakeholders. Now, risk management. Risk management is the process of identifying, assessing, and controlling risks to a project. In simpler terms, it's figuring out potential problems and planning how to handle them. For example, identifying that supply chain delays could occur and finding alternative suppliers. Critical path is a crucial concept. The critical path is the sequence of project tasks that determines the shortest time to complete the project. In layperson terms, it's the must-do tasks to finish the project on time. For a wedding, the critical path includes booking the venue, sending invites, and arranging catering. Resource allocation is another key term. Resource allocation is assigning available resources, time, money, people, to various tasks. Simply put, it's deciding who or what will work on each part of the project. For example, allocating a graphic designer to create social media posts for a marketing campaign. A Gantt chart is a useful tool. A Gantt chart is a type of bar chart that illustrates a project schedule. In simpler terms, it's a timeline that shows tasks and when they need to happen. A Gantt chart for a product launch might show when design, production, and marketing occur. Agile is a popular methodology. Agile refers to a project management methodology that emphasizes iterative work cycles, collaboration, and adaptability. In layperson terms, it's a way of working in small steps and adjusting as you go. For example, developing a mobile app feature by feature rather than all at once. On the flip side, we have waterfall. Waterfall refers to a sequential project management approach where tasks are completed in a linear order. Simply put, it's a step-by-step process where one task leads to another. For instance, designing, coding, and then testing a website in separate phases. Baseline is another important term. A baseline is the original project plan against which progress is measured. In simpler terms, it's the starting plan you use to track if you're on schedule and budget. For example, the baseline budget for a kitchen remodel might be $20,000. Lastly, change management. Change management refers to the process of managing changes to the project scope, schedule, or resources. In layperson terms, it's handling new requests or problems without ruining the plan. For instance, adding a new feature to an app mid-development and adjusting the timeline accordingly. And there you have it. Some of the most essential project management keywords and phrases explained in a way that's easy to understand and apply. That wraps up this episode of PM Path. We hope you found these project management keywords and phrases helpful and easy to understand. Now it's your turn to put them into practice and elevate your projects to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more people. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of project managers from all over the world. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an episode. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching PM Path. Stay organized, stay motivated, and keep making progress. We'll see you in the next episode.